day one of the basement makeover. It's clean out day.
Yep, so we're gonna get this all bagged up and so we get it out of here. So we're not gonna bore you with us putting stuff in a bag, so we'll go on a time warp it and maybe put some music in with it. Okay guys, got the biggest part of it. This pile right here is going to Agape. It's a local, what do you call it?
It's a church, but they also do different things for the community. They do for like foster families, they build beds. So it's a good cause. They sell stuff pretty reasonable, so you know, 50 cents, $1, so.
Yeah, so we're gonna take all this down. I think we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4 bags.
No, 5.
Okay, yeah, 5 bags.
Plus.
So we're gonna get this loaded upstairs into the vehicle and take this up to them, and we'll catch you guys back here in a few. Good morning, guys.
This is actually day 3. We did do some stuff yesterday, and we'll kind of show you what we did yesterday. But somebody forgot to hit record on the camera.
Yeah,
so.
it was totally my bad.
But that's okay. We're back here today on day 3. We're going to be working on
The
ceiling here.
We got a section we wanted to try it out. I don't know if you can see it. We'll show you here in a bit. But we do have a little section right here done, which it's already making a difference. So we can't wait to get it done.
Yeah, we opted not to paint the ceiling and do it this way, and you can explain. But we're using the black on the ceiling just because I'm going to be using it for photos, and they say to use black because it won't reflect the light and cause shadows. So.
But we're using a covering on it because we got thinking about painting it. It was going to take way too long. I really didn't want to spray down here. So I seen on YouTube, I seen a few people doing it this way, and it looked good. So we're going to do it that way. And right now, what I can see, it is going to look good. So
and we're satisfied so far. So
yeah, so we're going to do it this way, and so we're going to hop in the video and get things rolling. That corner all the way over to here, we had totes stacked up.
this here is just trash.
Yeah.
There was a shelf.
It was right there.
Right here.
Got that. Go ahead, babe.
Oh, he got that moved down yesterday.
I cleaned all the walls off and got the shop back out and got that all swept up. And if you can see what a difference that covering is making. So I can't wait to see it all on there.
What we did is we were gonna do white, but our Walmart's remodeling, they didn't have white, so I found this color here. It's called, hang on, Cloud Motif Gray. It's got just a little bit of a gray tint, but it's real light, and I think it'll work great. Of course, one decision I did make is once we get the wall framed out, I'm going to do one wall. Actually, I don't paint, David does the painting. But we're going to paint one wall black because I can use that as a backdrop for some of my photos. So, but we're going to try this color, see how it looks. I think it's gonna be okay. It's pretty light, but it's still got that little bit of a gray tint to it. You gotta talk to me because you need me to tighten it a little.
Hold on, I gotta see if we got running under.
We do right here. A little bit.
Okay, sure, just roll it out so we can see. Okay, hold this up. Hand this to you.
Well, I'm only so tall.
You gotta. All right. Stop.
Right here.
Right there. Go through. I don't want to go through no wires.
No, I don't need no hospital visits today.
Put up. Sorry about the lighting. I was taking a nail out and hit the light bulb, busted it, so I had to put one of these in. So I hope you guys can, you know, see good enough. But I'm gonna go on and finish this out. I had to open a new roll, and once I get this section done, I'll be back. Okay guys, got a pretty good section done, and I think it's looking good. But I'm gonna go on and take a little break, and we'll be back here in a few minutes. Okay guys, I went on and slapped some paint on this little section right here, just to see how it was gonna look, and I think it's gonna look pretty good. So I'm gonna go on and throw some more paint on this. I was going to use a roller, but there's some spots in there that a roller can't get to, so I'm just going to brush it. We found a sprayer and went on and ordered it, but I'm going to get what I can done with a brush and everything. So I'm going to go on and slap some paint on this. And like I said, I'm just putting it on. I'm not worried about getting paint on the floor, because the floor is going to be painted anyway, so it makes it a little easier. You don't have to tape anything off. I think this color is going to look really good. At first I really couldn't see the gray in it, which I didn't have that light. So I got one of Angie's photographing lights out and hooked up, and I can see the gray now. So there's this little section. I still got to paint this section, but here's this. The big difference from that to this. But I think it looks good. I'm gonna go on and close this one out. I got quite a bit done today, but it's been a long day, so I'm gonna go on and get things cleaned up, go drink some coffee, and I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video today or not, but just want to say thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy the video.